we came back to this customer after a couple of years since we've installed the Daikin VRV for his entire house. Now, this is a beautiful high-end property, and this particular client has a very unique hobby, and that hobby is a marine aquarium. Now, he does have different hobbies too, but this one is the particular one for which we arrived today. Now, the marine aquarium, although is a beautiful piece of art in your house, it does require a lot of equipment in order to maintain the beauty. And that equipment, especially the lights, are generating lots of heat. Now, if all of this equipment is within one especially small space, that can cause the equipment to fail. And that equipment is not cheap. Now, luckily for this client, he has its own dedicated room for the equipment. So it's very rare in the places like that. But this one has a dedicated room. But in this room, there is a still high temperature. He already lost a few lights because of the temperature, and those lights are... it's a good few hundreds, let's put it this way. So we came to introduce a cooling system to prevent those failures from happening. Now, what we proposed is to put a ducted unit where the actual indoor unit is installed in the adjacent room, and then we'll just run a 2-duct through the wall into the area where the sump is and the lights are. Now, the 2 ducts, we run into the room where the sump is, and 1 duct we terminated at the beginning of the room. The other duct we run all the way to the other end of the sump and force it to blow towards where the lights are. We wanted to create this airflow to make sure that the entire room is moving constantly, mixing with the cold air which our unit provides. And the client is very pleased with that, because now where he's enjoying the view and the lights go off, he knows it's not really a failure, but rather the sunset setup within the software of the lighting system. If you need a cooling solution for your aquarium, contact us and we will find the solution to your problem.